You can create tables in DreamApply, and you can export them, make tables and diagrams from the data, so you can easily follow up applications from previous years, for example, and just see if there are any similarities or any peak, any difference compared to the previous years. I try to take a look on the dashboard in general a couple of times of the week if I see any difference in the regions or the days when they are submitting the application. Or where they are at the process at that moment, how long does it take to get them from one point to the other. Right now, I'm just really trying to familiarize myself with it, because Corvinus changed the application process for self-funded students this academic year. So before that, we have the periodic admission, so this data didn't really help us. But now we do rolling admission, so this data for the next year will be really, really useful to see how much we improved in terms of communication with the students or anything related to the application.